Today, I'll show you how to disable Google Cloud Billing. This is a useful step if you want to pause or stop charges for a project you're working on in Google Cloud. Maybe you're finished with a project or you're trying to control costs more effectively. Whatever the reason, disabling billing is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open the Google Cloud Console. This is your main dashboard where you manage all your projects and services within Google Cloud. You can access the console by visiting the Google Cloud website and logging in with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to navigate to the billing section. To do this, look on the left-hand side of the dashboard. You should see a navigation menu with various options. Scroll down until you find the billing option and click on it. This will take you to the billing overview page where you can view and manage all aspects of your billing information. At this point, you'll need to select the project for which you want to disable billing. In the billing overview, you'll see a list of your projects. If you have many projects, you might need to search for the specific one you're interested in by using the search bar at the top. Once you've found the project, click on it to proceed. Now that you've selected your project, it's time to disable billing. You should see an option to disable billing. This button is usually located near the top of the page, within the project's billing details. Click on this button and Google Cloud will begin the process of disabling billing for that specific project, and that's it. You've successfully disabled billing for your Google Cloud project. Keep in mind that once billing is disabled, any resources associated with the project might stop running, as Google Cloud relies on billing to keep resources active. So if you plan to resume the project later, you'll need to re-enable billing to restart those resources. If you're disabling billing to manage costs better, remember to regularly check your usage and billing settings. Google Cloud offers various tools and reports to help you stay on top of your spending, so take advantage of these resources to avoid unexpected charges in the future. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Disabling Google Cloud Billing is a simple yet effective way to manage your projects and control costs, and now you know exactly how to do it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, be sure to check Google support resources or community forums for more assistance. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing.